Second question. Triangle ODC is similar to triangle OBA. BOC is equal to 125 degree and CDO is equal to 70 degree. Find DOC, DCO and OAB. Children, they said ODC, this triangle and this triangle means OAB. They are similar. Okay. So now you have to find the angle C here and angle DOC also you have to find. So we'll see. Now children, you can see here DOC is a triangle. Only one angle is given. And here you can see DOB is a straight line. Children, the DOB is a straight line. So what is the sum of two adjacent angles in linear pair? It's 180 degree. So I can say here DOC plus COB is equal to 180 degree. What is that? Linear pair. You can see the straight line here. DOB is a straight line and DOC, COB, when you add these two angles you should get 180 degree. So now what is given? COB is given as 125 and we don't know DOC is equal to 180 degree. So to find DOC you have to transpose 125 to either side. So plus become minus. So you will get the angle DOC as 7 minus 2, 55 degree. So you got DOC as 55 degree. Now they said to find DCO also. This angle also you have to find. How to find this angle? In a given triangle you have to apply angle sum property. So in triangle DOC, in a triangle DOC, you know that DOC plus ODC plus DCO is equal to 180 degree. Which property I've used? Angle sum property. Okay. Now what about DOC? DOC already we got 55 and D is 70 degree plus we don't know DCO is equal to 180 degree. So 50 plus 75 is 5, 7 plus 12, 125 degree plus DCO is equal to 180 degree. So now we have to find DCO. You have to transpose 125 to either side. So 180 minus 125. What is 180 minus 125? It's 55 degree. Now we can say that we got DCO as 55. Again they asked to find OAB. What is OAB? What is OAB? What about this angle? Children, before in the question only they have given these two triangles are similar. They said here ODC, triangle ODC is similar to angle OBA. So what about the angles? You have learnt in previous classes in similarity what will be equal? The angles, the corresponding angles are equal. Angle O is equal. So here children, according to the similarity, here angle O is equal to angle O, angle D should be equal to angle B, angle C should be equal to angle A. So what about angle A? Angle A is equal to, we can say OCD. So angle C and angle A are equal. They are corresponding angle. Angle B and angle A are equal. They are corresponding angle of similar triangle. You understood why it is so? Because according to the similarity, you know to name, na? So here what about the sides? OD will be OD by OB, DC by BA and CO by AO. The naming. See how they'll give the angles, no, like that only the sides, the angles will be equal. How they'll name the triangles, like that only the angles will be equal. Angle O and angle O, angle D should be equal to angle B, angle C should be equal to angle A. So that is the naming criteria of triangles. And the sides also, OD will be proportional to OB, BC will be proportional to BA, and AO will be proportional to CO. So angle A is equal to angle O. We can write it is corresponding angle of similar triangle.